Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart your Windows 11 computer using your keyboard. So if you're stuck with some application on your desktop freezing or not allowing you to access your start menu, or you're having some problems with your start menu or start button, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So in order to restart your computer, all you have to do is tap the Control Alt Delete key on your keyboard at the same time. So all three keys. I'll have them up on the screen as well. So tap all three at the same time. So again, the Control, Alt, and Delete key. So go ahead and tap all three. Then you want to select in the bottom right corner the power button, and then select the restart button. So go ahead and left click on that. So, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.